Wrapping text in Excel doesn't have to be challenging. In this video, we'll walk through how to wrap text and insert line breaks. How do you wrap text in Excel? If you have a number of strings that are overlapping your column width, what you can do is simply highlight a cell and go up to the Home tab and click the Wrap Text option. What this will do is it will automatically wrap your text when it reaches the end of the cell. And if I drag this width out, you can see Excel has automatically changed the line breaks in my cell. I can do that for just this one cell, or I could select a range, go up to Wrap Text, and it will wrap my text for my entire range. If I want to do that with a shortcut, I can use Alt-H-W, and that will also wrap my text. You can turn off wrap text by going up here and clicking the wrap text button. But what if you want a line break in a specific section of your cell? You could click into your cell, use Alt-Enter, and this will create a line break exactly where you want. I can increase the width of the cell, and now you see, even though there is space for Excel to load the first part of this address, Excel has put a line break in after the semicolon. I could do that with my other formulas by selecting using Alt-Enter to create line breaks. If you wanted to create a number of cells where you had the employee in the first line and then the address in the second line, you could go through and use Alt-Enter for each of these. Given this is Excel, there is also a clever way to accomplish this task. The first step would be separating the employees and the addresses into different columns. If I highlight the selection, Alt-A-E will pull up text to columns. I can use delimited. All of my data is separated by semicolons. I want to put this information in cell C3 to retain my source data. And then if I hit finish, I've separated my employees and my addresses into separate cells. Now in column E, what I can do is I can use the concat formula to combine my employee, add a line break with character 10, and then add my address. And if I make this cell wrap text and make this bigger, I can fill it down, and for each one of my employees, I've returned the employee name and then the address on a second line. Fun bonus tip for wrapping text in Excel.